Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 5A and 5B simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all courses. You can contact easily through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Question command is used to go to special command. Okay, go to special command and set the fill color to the blank cell F34 orange. Okay, F34 to orange. Click on fill color and then enter orange. Okay, question is completed now. Now moving on next question. Simultaneously hide column H to J in the worksheet. Select with this column 3 and right click on this and click on hide. Column will be hidden. Okay, use to go to command navigate to cell B56. Okay, go to home tab and then click on find and select and go to command is that reference B656 then press OK. In cell B56 use count a function to count the number. Okay, click on cell B65 and then is equal to count a function offered at the beginner level. Number of seminars offered at the beginner level. Okay, beginner. Okay, then press click on cell B56 and then count a function into beginner. Scroll down. Okay, and then C2 count number seminar offered into the C2 to C54, then press enter. C54 and then beginner. Okay, then press enter. This is done now. Question 2 is completed now. Now moving on question number 3. Question number 4, Question 4 is that arrange the two open Excel workbooks on the screen vertically. Ensure that 0F5 false file inactive. Arrange two open Excel worksheet. And Z5 fall seminars file is active. Click on arrange all, then vertical, then press OK. Okay, then two sheet is active. Else A05 for seminar worksheet, use find and replace. Okay, click on find and replace. Marcus, close the find replace dialog box. Replace to seminar find and replace to locate seminar find and click on okay. Set the theme the workbook to retrospect. Okay, go to the page layout, click on theme and then select retrospect. Okay, set the theme font to Cambria. Click on page layout, click on font and then select style Cambria. Scroll down and then select Cambria. This is done now. Create a new table style named seminar format. Format the table element first row. Stripe with the color 10 as and 5 letter 60%. Okay, go to the insert tab, click on table, create a new table, click on insert tab. Click on insert and then sorry 1 second. Okay, then style 5 letter 60%. Style 5 letter 60%. Then first row stripe. Okay, then S and 5 letter 60%. Fill color, then press OK, then again press OK. Table style seminar, table name is seminar format. Then press OK. Format the data in the worksheet A1 to J55 with the customer seminar format style. First we select this range A1 to J55 and then with the custom seminar format style, go to the format as table and then scroll down. Okay, then you can select this style. Okay, this is done now. Scale the worksheet so that it fits to 1 page wide. Okay, click on number group, click on page setup, fit to 1 page wide, click on 1 page. Okay, set the rotation worksheet to landscape. Okay, this is done now. Display the worksheet in page break preview. Click on page break preview. Go to view tab and click on page break. Insert page break view for 41 and 42. Turn normal view. Click on 41 and then click on page load and then click on break. Insert page break. Insert page break between row 41 and 42. Return normal view. Go to the normal. This is done now. Question is completely done. Now moving on next question. Set headings in row 1 to repeat at the top of each page of the worksheet. You can select this heading, go to the page setup, click on just to sheet, click on sheet and then rows to repeat as a top, click on row 1 and then press OK. This is done now. In cell 58, insert hyperlink named E05 seminar list XLS. Set the screen tip to click here for master list. Click on cell A55, then A58, click on cell A58, right click on this and click on links, and then places to document. Okay, current folder is that, screen tips is that, click here to master list, click here to master list, here to master list, then press OK, then again OK. Okay, I have done half exam. For remaining question or you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, Excel, and many more courses. Contact me for your assignment help, exam help, quizzes help, or you want to read for a complete course, you can contact through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.